Hey guys, it's River Dave. We're up here in the Foothills off 6010 Circula de Hacienda. This house represents what the Foothills is all about in terms of living. Beautiful landscaping, paver driveway, beautiful architecture by Oxley. It's finished inside and out. If you're looking for a home to live in, this one's gonna be pretty hard to beat. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, we just came up that paver driveway and you got a little bit of a look at some of that landscaping I was talking about. When we get to the backyard, you're gonna see it's just as nice as the front. This particular garage is 35 wide, 40 feet deep. This is perfect for 21 Chiatas, 25 Nordic, 28 Nordic, you know, something in that size range, something that you can get through an 8-foot door. Off-road toys on this side, boats on that side. On the other side of this garage is a big pad, full RV hookups, 30 amp and 50 amp, dumps and electrical. Let's go inside and take a look, but before we do, I want Mike to show you this quick little ante room that I think is super cool. Obviously the garage is finished out with cabinets and windows and dual ACs, but that ante room and the bathroom is really cool. I've not seen that before. Okay guys, so this is that ante room I was talking about. This is back when Oxley was really kind of in their prime and doing lots of cool little features. You come in here, currently they're using this for water storage right here, but you have a man door to my left. You have door number 1, which is an entrance to the house. You have a private bathroom for the garage in here, and then right off to my right is door number 2 for the entrance to the house. It's a really cool little area that poses a lot of function and adds a lot of style to the garage. Something just you don't see every day. Okay guys, as you enter the house, you have this oversized living room with these massive windows. And I'm gonna come back to that in 1 second. These windows are not only so you can see the pool, but you actually get some lake views out of it, but it ties in the mountains in the background. It's a little hazy today, so you can't see it because the wind was blowing a little bit earlier. But that first mountain there, if you look there, whoever designed the interior of this house, they tied the colors of the mountains right into this oversized island. Now, as you come in here, you're gonna see this is a giant kitchen. This is great, it's got dual ovens, so if you're gonna have a large Thanksgiving dinner or something like that, you can have multiple people in here working at the same time. It's not compressed. Lots of area for serving. Formal dining room right there, but I'm gonna take you back to these massive windows and show you. You have an entire covered patio to entertain as many people as you like. Let's continue the tour. Okay guys, so we're outside right now in the backyard. You can see the pool's got the sprinkler features. It's got the bar stools in it, large Baja shelf. The views again are amazing. The landscape is first class, and when we get around to what's behind the camera guy, you're gonna see that continues on. This is almost a 0.6 acre lot. So there's actually quite a bit of land and landscaping to go with it. Oversized outdoor patio with fans. It's all pre-wired for audio. But one of my favorite things is this is really cool. This is another little Oxley touch, right? Like you have the shades and all the cool things you would expect. But when you come in here, you have this outdoor bar, seating for 6, and you have a barbecue way in here so you can barbecue in the shade, right? And you say, well, if you have a barbecue way in here, what happens up top? You have a hood, no smoke damage. It's lighted, so if you're barbecuing at night, you got your hood, lights, That's a pretty cool little trick. I haven't seen that one before. Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the house. Give us a call, 928-225-3375. Thanks.